Automated teller machine ATM repairers. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Computer, ATM, and office machine repair service, maintain, and install computers, word processors, automated teller machines, and electronic office machines including duplicating and fax machines. Duties. Computer, ATM, and office machine repairers typically do the following. Travel to customers' locations in response to service requests. Communicate with customers to determine the source of a problem. Perform administrative tasks, such as completing work order forms. Install large equipment, such as mainframe computers or ATMs. Test newly installed systems to make sure they work properly. Explain the basic functions of machines and equipment to customers. Provide preventive maintenance, such as cleaning the internal parts of machines. Some repairers have assigned areas where they do preventive maintenance on a regular basis. ATM repairers install and repair automated teller machines and, increasingly, electronic kiosks. When they are informed to a fault, they usually operate with a network of ATMs and travel to ATM sites. How to become an automated teller machine repairer. Most computer, ATM, and office machine repairers take some classes after high school. This is especially important for ATM repairers who work on complex machines. Prospective workers may take post-secondary classes in computers and electronics, network hardware configuration, electrical engineering, machine repair, computer or digital technology. In these classes, students learn how to troubleshoot major issues, such as discovering which part is causing a machine to malfunction. A basic understanding of mechanical equipment is important because many of the parts that fail in office machines and ATMs, such as paper loaders, are mechanical. Those who do not take college classes may gain this knowledge through military training or high school vocational classes.